Today we have one oxygen machine. The name of the oxygen machine is from the Respironic brand, the Philips brand, and the name of the model of the machine is EvoFlow. So here I had already opened this machine for you guys. So in this machine, what we get actually, uh, this machine is actually 2.5 years old and runs about 2.5 runs daily in last 2.5 years. So I got this machine from that customer, and that customer has some problem. And what kind of problem that customer have? Customer is telling me that the machine is working fine, but there are three LEDs present on these boards which illuminate on the front of this machine, which are not getting illuminate like in the previous week. In the last week they are telling me the green light comes when the machine is working fine, and there is a, if any kind of error, then orange or red color will appear on the second or third LEDs. But now nothing is coming on, only air is coming out. So after checking all the machine, I got only the air compressor is working, and air compressor is giving only air, not giving any oxygen from these molecules, sieves, cylinders. So after opening that machine, what I got this single board, and which contains all these one number, two number, and three LEDs, and this yellow pipe is actually got disconnected. Why this pipe was disconnected automatically? Because that board was get shut off, and after shutting off this this yellow pipe was connected on this sensor, and after getting problem in this board, that yellow pipe actually increased his pressure in that sensor, and after of high pressure, that yellow pipe get out from that black sensor. So after observing, we have three common fault, but in my machine there is major issue in many of other component, but in your machine you have to check three parts. First of all, you have to check now supply is coming on. I cannot touch all the board. This is here. Here you can see there is one fuse. First of all, check this fuse and replace that fuse. If that fuse was okay, there is one red brack. You have to change that brack, that red color, and that varistor you have to change. If that varistor got blasted or not giving the continuity, you have to change that. Varistor, and after replacing two things, your board will get on. After that, there is one another fuse, that is F3 fuse. There is a slow blown capacitor fuse. You have to check that fuse also. You will get some resistance definitely. If you are not getting that resistance, there is some problem in the machine. So these are the three basic faults. After that, if any connection was loose, you have to disconnect it. And the fourth option is, because after 2 years, 3 years, that board contains a lot of dust. I clean all the dust from this board with the help of petrol, or you can use a specific liquid for cleaning that board and dry it under the sunlight, or you can dry it under your dryer. And after giving the proper heat and drying, I replace that board, and the machine will get on. That is the basic solution for the board. And if your compressor is not getting on, you have to replace that capacitor. Replace that capacitor, your compressor will get on. If your capacitor is okay, again that if your capacitor is okay, compressor is not working, you have to open the compressor, the head, because it gets choked. After opening, give some mechanical oil inside it and clot your compressor will get on. If your basic thing, if you can also check your basic things. What are the basic input is coming in this capacitor, or this in this compressor, or not coming or not? You have to check the input supply. After there is a molecule sieve cylinder. There is pressure release switch. You can check if the pipes are connected properly or not. And on the below side there is one white portion that is actually called the relays, the pressure switch relays, which control the pressure after 3 seconds, every 3 seconds. That was operated with the help of this board, the internal programming. And after doing all such things, you can replace that board also if you are not able to repair, and if you are not able to find such kind of fault. That is the basic answer for all your questions in the Philips machine. You have to subscribe my channel for giving you the more and more interesting updates in the future. Please subscribe, please share my channel to another, please share my videos and like my video. And one thing more, please comment what kind of knowledge you want about this machine. Any another question you can write here, and any another answer you, if you know, you can write me on my comment.